So what has it been like to DoorDash with the 2019 Tesla Model S? Well, it's been great actually. I really enjoyed Enterprise fitting the bill for the electricity. Thank you very much for that. And it's been a fun car to drive around. It's definitely not, I don't like it as much as my Model 3. I like that more. It's a little bit zippier, it's a little bit smaller, it fits more places. This car has been great though. I've been doing some DoorDashing in the Santa Cruz area in California. There's a lot of really steep driveways, very hilly area, and the air suspension has been great for that. It's come in clutch a few times. But other than that, the frunk is not as good as my Model 3, and the headlights on this thing are terrible. They honestly remind me of putting LEDs in a reflector housing on my old 4Runner. They're just, even the high beams are kind of crap. They're disappointing. But other than that, it's a nice car. There's really not too much I can say about it other than it's a good little car. Even though it's big and expensive. Don't buy one of these to do DoorDashing. Get a Prius. They're better for that.